How to create eBay account. Open the eBay application. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Tap on the option My eBay that you can see at bottom. Tap on the option Sign In. From this interface, the recording will not be available. eBay does not let you record the interface. Tap on the option Create Account that you'll be able to see on your screen. Once you do that, you'll have to enter your email, first name and last name. Provide the email address with which you would like to create the account for yourself. Enter your first name over here. Enter the last name. Tap on the option Continue that you'll be able to see on your screen. Instead of that, you can also continue with Google or Facebook. Now create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. Tap on the option Create an account. Enter your phone number. Tap on the option Continue. Enter the security code sent to your phone number. If you do not receive the security code, you can tap on the option Resend code. After you do that, tap on the option Continue. Follow through the prompts in order to create an account for yourself. Once you do that, your eBay account will be created. Like this, you can create eBay account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.